can be tedious to initialize all of the variables in a class each time an instance is created. The thing is that it is more complex to initialize the values for the variables in a class when you are going to create a object for that class. Java allows objects to initialize themselves when they are created. This automatic initialization is done by the use of constructor. By definition, constructor having the same name as that of the class name in which it is there, and syntactically similar to a method. Once defined, the constructor is automatically called immediately after the object is created, before the new operator completes. Constructor is not having the return type, not even void also. This is because the implicit return type of the class constructor is the class type only. With an example here, I have given one example in previous concept, that is I have created a box class. For that box class I have created two objects, that is my box 1 and my box 2, okay, by the box constructor when they were created. Okay, here you see class variable is equal to new class name is there now. Okay, a new class name. Now you understand why parentheses are needed after the class name. What is actually happening is that constructor for a class is being called thus in the line. Here you see box, my box 1 is equal to new box is there. So here new box is calling the box constructor. When you do not explicitly define a constructor for a class, then Java creates a default constructor for the class. In previous examples, I have not written explicitly the constructor, but implicitly it is there. That is the its name of the class only. This is why the preceding line of the code worked in earlier versions of the box that did not define a constructor. The default constructor automatically initializes all the instance variables to 0. You see, the box constructor may also have the parameters. So all the parameters which we are going to pass the values are initialized at the time of object creation only. Yes, this keyword, when a method will need to refer the object that is invoked it. To allow this, Java defines this keyword. This can be used inside any method to refer the current object. That is, this is always reference to the object on which the method was called. So here this keyword is useful in next concept, that is instance variable hiding. What is instance variable hiding? With an example is an important question in the external examination. What is instance variable hiding? The definition is, in a class when a local variable is having the same name as that of the instance variables, then local variables will hide the instance variable. The thing is that the preference goes to the local variables only. The instance variables are override. Here you see, when a local variable has the same name as the instance variable, the local variable hides the instance variable. In the previous example, width, height, depth were not used as the names of parameters to the box constructor inside the box class. If they had been, width would have referred the formal parameters hiding the instance variable width. Here you see the example is here. This box constructor is having double width, double height, double depth, and also the instance variables are also the names width, height, depth. So that there is a name collision here. Local variables are also have the same name as the instance variable. Okay, to avoid this confusion, we are going to use this keyword. Here you see this dot width. The thing is that this is the instance variable. This dot height, this dot depth, all these three are the instance variable, and the right side width, height, depth are the local variables. So that we are going to assign the values for the instance variables through the local variables, so that this is a instance variable hiding. Okay, how to avoid? By using this keyword, we are going to avoid the name collision between local variable and the instance variable. This is very important for your examination point of view. How? What is instance variable hiding? How to overcome the instance variable? What is instance variable hiding? In a class, when a local variable is having the same name as the class name, then local variable will hide the instance variables. How to overcome? By using this keyword, we can overcome the instance variable hiding. Okay, next slide, discuss the further concepts. Thank you.